brackets, x plus 1, close brackets, is equal to negative 7. How many marks? 2 marks. So your 1 mark is from your working, and your second mark is from your final answer. So I want you to pay particular attention and follow me step by step. So we're going to use this space, right? We're going to use this space as our working space, this one here. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so now the first step that we're going to do in solving this question is to expand. All right, we're going to multiply this part. Let me just write the full question. All right, so 5x minus 8 minus 3 open brackets x plus 1 close brackets is equal to negative 7. So we are going to expand. Somebody is asking, sir, how do you expand? Okay, we multiply negative 3 with everything inside here. That's the first step. Okay, so we're going to say 5x minus 8. All right, now let's expand here. Let's expand. Negative 3 times x, I beg your pardon, it is negative 3x. Again, negative 3 times positive 1, it is negative 3. Okay, so we say equals negative 7. Okay, so we are done with the first step, and the first step was, let me just write this. The first step was, the first step here, step 1 was what? Expanding or expand. This is the first step. You're expanding by multiplying negative 3 with everything inside here. I hope you are following. We continue. The second step, we are collecting the like terms. You see here we have negative 3x and we have 5x. So these are like terms. Here we also have negative 8 and negative 3 and also negative 7. So here, pay attention. Be careful with the signs. Okay? Be careful with the signs. So instead of us moving everything to 7, like negative 8 and negative 3 to 7, we're going to deal with these two first here. So watch. We're going to say, just a minute, let me use my black pen. We're going to say 5x, all right? So we are grouping negative 3 with the 5x. So it will be negative 3x, all right? And then we write 8, which is grouped with the negative 3. Okay? 8 grouped with what? Negative 3. So we write the way it is here, negative 7. So our second step was what? So step 2 was what? Collecting like terms, all right? Or grouping like terms. Write that down. This was the second step. Okay, so when we reach here, we do the maths. So 5x minus 3x, what do we get? We get 2x, right? And then here, this is a negative sign. And then we also have negative 3. So on your number line, pay attention to the signs. When we put this on the number line, automatically we're going to have negative 11 here. This is an addition. Negative 8 minus 3, it's negative 11. You are adding, because we are saying negative plus negative, it's positive. After finding the answer, when we add, we get, all right, a sign with a bigger number here. That's a simple way. So our answer is negative what? Negative 11 equals to negative 7. I hope you understood here. This is negative 8 minus 3. So the shortest way you can say negative plus negative is positive. Then you add these two, you get your 11. And then you don't just write 11. You get the sign that the bigger number carries, which is negative. This is why we have negative what? 11. Okay, now let's solve this equation. We are simplifying everything, and now let's solve. So step 3. Step 3, let me write here. Step 3, you do what? You solve. Okay, so now let's solve here. So we know that negative 11 and negative 7 are like terms, so we write 2x. All right, so now here, pay attention. Any number with a different sign, when it crosses the equal sign, for example, negative 11, when it crosses the equal sign, this will change to positive. Okay, now let's say you had a positive here. Let me rub this. You had a what? A positive instead of a negative. You had a positive here. Automatically, this positive, when 11 crosses the equal sign, it will change to negative. Write that down. Very, very important on the signs, because many students miss marks on the signs. So you must remember this. So when negative 11 crosses the other side, or crosses the equal sign to the other side, this negative will change to positive. So we'll have something like this. We'll have something like this. 11 minus 7. Okay, we continue. X, remember that this is an equation, so we are looking for what? The value of x. So here we say 11 minus 7. What do we get? Our answer is what? Is 4. Okay, so 4. Then here we divide both sides by 2. We divide both sides by 2. We cancel. Right, we remain with what? X. So we say 2 divided. Okay, let me just say step by step. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 4, it is 2. So here, don't be in a hurry. You say 1 into 2. What do we get? We get 2. And this is your final answer. And you have how many marks? You have 1 mark for your working, and then 1 mark for your final answer. How many marks in total? 2 marks. You cannot afford to lose these marks. Right, we have come to the end of our session. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Tutor Be Smart. It's bye for now.